Everyone wants to boost their home value before selling, so it's reasonable to wonder if more is always better. Should you spend lots more money on renovations before you sell? Do expensive renos tend to earn you significantly higher when selling? Here, we explain why you should stick with Simple Renos to add value before selling. First, start with a budget and a list. People first need to figure out their budget for renovation. This, right off the bat, will help people identify how much money they have available to update their home. Once you know your budget, you can ensure you use the money in the most efficient way to add value to your home before you sell. In order to make your budget, you'll first need to create a full list of improvements you feel could be made in order of importance. Aspects of your home that could be non-starters need to be prioritized. Next, you should weigh the cost of renos versus the dollar amount you can recoup. Now that you've identified what needs renovating, you need to know if making the update is worth the cost. It's helpful to focus on projects that will recoup the most amount of money put into it. Keep in mind that just because you have the budget for a lot of renovation, it doesn't mean you should. Here is why you should stick with Simple Renos to add value. Consider big renos. It may seem like putting a ton of money into a home would automatically mean the value goes up proportionately. This isn't usually the case. Take bathrooms, for example. Sellers who remodel their bathroom for $3,000 or less can recoup $1.71 per dollar spent. Compare this to a high-end bathroom, $10,000 to $25,000 remodeling, which brings back a mere 87 cents per dollar spent. High-end remodeling of a kitchen usually will only get you a mere 50 cents back per dollar spent. If you're planning to enjoy the big renovations yourself and live in your home for a while, then big renos could be worthwhile. But if you're just looking to do a big reno just to sell, then save your money and your time and effort. Trends change quickly, so styles and designs of high-value renos may lose their perceived value faster. The chances are Simple Renos are all you need. Sellers are almost guaranteed to recoup money spent on paint, new carpeting, mid-range bathroom remodeling, light fixtures, and basic landscaping. Let's start outside. Curb appeal and landscaping are what buyers see first. Positive first impressions can easily increase your home's value by several percent. Adding a new garage door, freshly painting the front door, planting annuals or evergreen trees boost curb appeal nicely. Painting with neutral colors appeals to the widest range of buyers. A winning combo is a freshly painted home with bright interior and dark exterior with a richly colored door. Inside, if your bathroom needs renovating, you can add tiles to the bathroom that will look great without adding a high price tag. Updating your doorknobs, light fixtures, or cabinet handles is an inexpensive way to make your space classy. In closing, make your list, put it in hierarchy order, and reference the recoup amounts for the individual projects. If you're tempted to put a ton of work into a project that simply won't recoup enough of your investment, then do a much smaller scale update. Focus on the projects that are most needed that will impact buyers the most. If you're looking to sell in Sarnia, Lambton, give the Blue Coast team a call today because it's time to come home to the Blue Coast.